Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to add an about section on your YouTube channel. This is really easy, so I'm going to show you guys it right now. So what you want to do is you want to click on your profile picture at the top right corner. Then what you want to do is go to your channel. And once you're here, you can basically just see your channel. And all you want to do is click on customize channel. And this will sort of open up the classic YouTube channel editor or customizer or what you want to call it. And basically click on about. And right here you want to click on add channel description. And right here you can basically type in whatever you want. You're probably gonna type something in to sort of like explain what your channel is about or who you are or something like that. So you can just type some stuff in just like this and then click on done, and this will have this will update it. So the description is right here. Go to the YouTube homepage again, then go to your channel again, and it will be the default sort of like YouTube. Then click on about, and as you can see, you have now a description right here under the about tab. And that is basically it. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. And I'll see you next time. Have a good day.